I'm Brian Farnsworth with Cement Colors. Today we're talking acid stain, and this video is about getting started. So really, for me, when you're getting ready to start an acid stain project, there's three things that need to go through your mind. Having the right tools and materials, going through a process of surface prep, making sure that that concrete is ready to accept the stain, and then doing some basic testing. So let's talk about tools and materials right now. When you're going through this job and you're getting ready to go, you're going to need some basic things. Number one, a good brush, a nice fine bristle brush, protective materials, protection for yourself as well as the areas that you don't want to get stained. So having a good respirator, face masks, eyewear, good protective gloves. So that'll be the protection that you want to use for yourself. Protection against walls and different things like that where you don't want the stain to get. Some good plastic. You got your tape, your masking tape, and those are the basic things you're going to need to have on site for your protection. Having a good quality acid stain. So what you see here is ChromaStain's ChromaStain. Good quality stain that I've used for a long time. So that's something that's important, picking a good acid stain. And then your tools. So making sure you actually have a good, I guess when you talk tools, you know, in my mind, the most important thing is going to be your sprayer. So having a good quality sprayer. This is a Chapin sprayer, no metal parts. So acid stains, that acid will react with metal parts in the sprayers. You don't want that. You want a sprayer that's completely plastic. Also, another highlight here is a sprayer with a conical tip, a tip that's going to spray out a nice round spray. You don't want a sprayer that's shooting out in a straight line because you will see that once you start staining the concrete. Tools and materials. Let's talk a little bit about surface prep. So when you're dealing with surface prep, there's some basic things you need to look at. What type of condition is the concrete in? That's something that you'll see in another video. But right here, we're talking some basic things about getting a good quality degreaser, a good quality concrete degreaser. So going through the process of scrubbing and cleaning that concrete, removing any residue that might be on the surface, making sure that that concrete is clean and ready to go to accept that acid stain. That's really important. Number three, testing. So how important is it to actually test your concrete before you stain it? So what we'd like to see you do is go maybe into a closet or go onto, pick a space where there's going to be some cabinets in the future and do a test area with the stain color that you've picked. And that way you'll know how that piece of concrete is going to react with the chemical stain that you picked for your color. So those are really the three basic things that I want to see you do and have ready before you start your acid stain project. Tools and materials, going through a surface prep, and then testing that area.